My name's Adam. I work with Utechnology, and we're going to be showing you how to operate the 48-volt modular track system sample case. Step one is to take your section of track and your power connector, and you're going to want to install your power connector, matching the green stickers to the right side. The reason you want to match the stickers, if you look closely, there's a groove right here on the track that matches up with the tabs on the power connector. This ensures that your connections are always in the correct orientation. So you put this into your section of track, and then you snap this into place. Step two, you take a flathead screwdriver and you insert it into this spot on the power connector, and you turn it to engage the power connector. Okay. Step three, you take your fixture of choice, ensure that the sticker is on the correct side, which means that the grooves will match up with the channel on the inside of your track. And you just want to push that into place until it clicks. Step four, you take your power supply, connect the DC barrel connector to our pre-installed barrel connector on the track. Connect your other end of your power supply into your line voltage, 120 volts. Now we energize our fixtures. You can see it's functioning properly, and you can use your rotary dimmer to control the light amount. And if you scroll it all the way to the left until it clicks, you can turn off your light. To remove a fixture from your system, first you want to turn off the power supply, and then you want to go, and there's a button on the side of your fixture that you press inward, and then you can just pull your fixture out. The button's right here, and it just pulls right out. For longer fixtures, there is a release button on both sides of the fixture. So again, to insert, make sure that the sticker is on the correct side, which shows that the grooves will fit on the correct side of the tabs. Insert the fixture until it snaps into place. You can then energize the fixture and control dimming with the rotary dimmer. And to remove, turn off the fixture, and you reach and you disconnect both of your buttons and pull up. This has been the installation and instruction video for your 48-volt modular track system sample case. Thank you again for working with Utechnology, and we are excited to work with you more in the future.